Alright, this is midpoint. And the colours just change. Car park's all the way back there. Just awesome, very windy, cold wind blowing, but other than that, spectacular.
You were going to brave it in a t-shirt.
I was going to take a t-shirt.
Oh.
Yeah. The valley acts like a wind tunnel, so.
Well, it's a gorge.
Gorge actually acts like a wind tunnel. That's brother-in-law Mike in front. He gave it the very pretty. It is, it's awesome. Colours, like the video won't show the colour, it's just that vibrant and that bright. Entry into the gorge walk. Short, easy rocky climb up. It's a bit uneven. This is the entrance to it. Just everyone's going, oh look at that, look at that. Colours changing all the time. Gorge walk. A little bit more challenging than the Ayers Rock walk. Ayers Rock was just flat and around the rock. This is a bit hillier and a bit rockier, but still worth it as you come into it. Awesome. Alright, today we're taking the Walpa Gorge. Forgot the camera, so this is a phone video. Part of the Olgas. There's rock through the distance behind us. Just gorgeous. There's two walks you can do. This is the Gorge walk, and there's a Valley of the Winds walk which takes you all the way around the Olgas. Decided not to do the big walk because we did the bigger Ayers Rock walk yesterday. Just take you through this one. Just spectacular. Not even halfway up, starting to get views. Come across a little creek bed which would flow once the rain was here, but we're still a bit over midway through. It's just throwing up colour after colour. Alright, end result. Car park's way down there. Walpa Gorge is uneven, 2.5–3k walk in. This is the end result, into the gorge, but you go through a valley of mountains. Just gorgeous.
Oops. Sorry. Just
Valley of the Winds.
30 seconds of fame, that's all. Oh, right.
Doing this walk out. Look out across the other way. Car park down there, it's about a 2k away. We're not going to do the whole walk, we're just going to see up to a lookout. It's the back of the Olgas.
You got movies?
And none. You can bite though, can you stand there with moments like these at the end? Okay.
Go ahead. It's go when I'm gone. So.
Woohoo! Valley of the Winds.
Well, even if we wanted to do the long one, we wouldn't.